Students, in this human health and diseases, part third, we will study about vaccination, structure of antibody, antigen on blood cells, ABO blood groups, and Rh factor. So first we will discuss about the vaccination and immunization. So what is meant by vaccination? Vaccination is an important form of primary prevention that can protect people from getting sick. The principle of immunization or vaccination is based on the property of memory of the immune system. In vaccination, a preparation of antigenic protein of a pathogen or inactivated or a weakened pathogen is introduced into the body. The antibodies produced in the body against vaccine would neutralize the pathogenic agents during actual infection. The vaccines also generate memory B and T cells that recognize the pathogen quickly on the subsequent exposure. So next, that is the structure of antibody. Antibodies are glycoproteins. Antibodies हे glycoproteins असतात which are highly specific to specific antigen. म्हणजे प्रत्येक antigen साठी antibody ही ठरलेली असती किंवा तशा प्रकारची त्यांच्यामध्ये रचना होते. They are also known as immunoglobulins produced in response to antigenic stimulation. Antibodies are produced by plasma cells. तर antibodies कोण तयार करतं? Plasma cells तयार करतात, which in turn are formed by B lymphocytes. The mature plasma cells produce antibodies at an extremely rapid rate, that is 2000 molecules per second. So here is the structure of antibody. So it is a Y shape. So it shows two types of chains, that is the heavy chain and this is the light chain. In heavy chain and light chain, again there are two regions, that is this is the variable region and this is the constant region. So this is the variable region of light chain and this is the constant region of light chain. So this is the variable region of heavy chain and this is the constant region of heavy chain. So here is the disulfide bond which connects these two arms. Here is the hinge. Again this is the heavy chain and this is the light chain. So this is the structure of antibody. So at the tip it shows a antigenic binding site. So this is the antigenic binding site where antigen is bind. So next, that is the formation of antigen antibody complex. तर antigen antibody complex कसं तयार होतं आहे? ह्याच्यातली पहिली टर्म जी आहे that is the serology. That is the logos means to study. The study of antigen antibody interaction. It is called as a serology. Each antibody is specific for a particular antigen. प्रत्येक antigen साठी antibody ही specific असते. Combining sites of antigen called antigenic determinant or epitopes. So these are the epitopes or the antigen determinants. So this is the antigen determinants or epitopes, which reacts with the corresponding antigen binding site of antibodies called as a paratopes. So these are the paratopes of antibodies bound to epitopes. The antigen binding site paratopes are located on the variable regions of the antibody. Just we have seen the structure of antibody. There are the variable regions. The variable region enables the antibody to recognize the specific antigen and bind to it in a lock and key manner, forming an antigen antibody complex. जसं लॉक अँड की हायपोथेसिस आहे तसंच हे अँटीजेन अँड अँटीबॉडी कॉम्प्लेक्स असतं म्हणजे प्रत्येक अँटीजनसाठी अँटीबॉडी हा ठरलेला असतो किंवा तसं त्यांच्यामध्ये रिफॉर्मेशन होत असतं. सो नेक्स्ट दॅट इज अ अँटीजेन ऑन ब्लड सेल्स. ब्लड सेल्स वरती कुठले अँटीजेन्स असतात? There are several unknown antigens on the surface of human red blood cells. These antigens gives rise to different blood groups. There are many genetically determined blood group systems like ABO, RH, Duffy, Kidd, Lewis, P, MNS, and Bombay blood group. ABO blood groups. The A, B, and O blood group were discovered by Carl Landsteiner in 900. तर पहिल्यांदा कोणी ब्लड ग्रुप शोधून काढला असेल that is the Carl Landsteiner यांनी in 1900. Later on, the blood group AB was discovered by Landsteiner's student DiCastello and Sterling in 1902. तर AB हा ब्लड ग्रुप कोणी शोधून काढला? डिकॅस्टेलो अँड स्टर्लिन इन 1902. Landsteiner was awarded the Nobel Prize for his discovery of human blood group. तर ह्युमन ब्लड ग्रुपचं जे काही त्यांनी डिस्कवरी केली होती त्याच्याबद्दल लँडस्टेनरला नोबेल प्राइज मिळालेलं होतं. He found 2 antigens or agglutinogens on the surface of human blood cells and named them as antigen A and antigen B. त्यांनी काय शोधून काढलं? 2 antigens आणि त्याला नावं काय दिलीत? antigen A आणि antigen B. He also noticed the corresponding antibodies or agglutinins in the serum called small a and small b. तर हे काय आहेत? कॅपिटल A, कॅपिटल B आणि इथं सिरम मध्ये जे काही त्याला आपण नाव काय दिलं? स्मॉल a आणि स्मॉल b. In ABO system, the blood groups are determined by the presence or absence of antigen A and antigen B. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये ब्लड ग्रुपमध्ये अँटीजेन ए आहे किंवा अँटीजेन बी आहे किंवा दोघं आहेत किंवा दोघंही नाहीत त्याच्यावरती एबीओ सिस्टीम ठरलेली असते. द ब्लड ग्रुप्स ऑफ अ पर्सन इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू 4 ग्रुप्स, that is A, B, AB and O. So this is the chart which shows ABO blood groups in man. So this is the blood group, genotype, antigen on surface of RBC, antibody in serum, can donate blood to and can receive blood from. So first is A. So when there is a blood group, it shows genotype, that is the IA, that is the capital A, or IAIO. So antigen on surface of RBCs, that is the capital A, and antibody in serum, that is the small b. The antibody कुठली आहे? स्मॉल b. म्हणजे इथं antibody b असती, इथं लेटर कुठला आहे? स्मॉल b. Can donate blood to. आता एक ब्लड ग्रुप असेल तो कुणाला ब्लड देऊ शकतो? ब्लड ग्रुप ए ला आणि ब्लड ग्रुप ए बी ला. आणि कुणाकडून घेऊ शकतो? तर ब्लड ग्रुप ए आणि ओ कडून तो घेऊ शकतो. ब्लड ग्रुप बी. Here genotype is IB or IBIO. Antigen is capital B and here antibody in serum is A. Can donate blood to B and AB and can receive blood from B and O. So AB is universal acceptor. Genotype is IAIB. Antigens are capital A and capital B. Antibody in serum nil. There is a no antibody in serum. Can donate blood to only AB blood group and can receive from A, B, AB and O. So blood group O is universal donor. Genotype is IO. Antigens याच्यामध्ये नसतात आरबीसीच्या सरफेस वरती. Antibody in serum, that is the both antibody A आणि antibody B. कुणाला देऊ शकतात? तर A, B, AB आणि O. आणि कुणाकडून घेऊ शकतात? फक्त ब्लड ग्रुप O असलेल्यांकडूनच O ब्लड घेऊ शकतात. So next, that is the Rh factor. Rh factor is an antigenic protein present on the surface of RBCs in the human being. तर हा ज्यावेळेला आपण ब्लड ग्रुप सांगतो त्यावेळेला AB RH पॉझिटिव्ह, ORH निगेटिव्ह अशा प्रकारे आपण सांगत असतो. तर नेमका हा RH फॅक्टर काय आहे? तर RH फॅक्टर इज अन अँटीजेनिक प्रोटीन प्रेझेंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ RBCs इन द ह्युमन बीइंग्स. कुणी शोधून काढलं पहिल्यांदा? सो इट वॉज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड बाय Landsteiner Weiner in 1940 on the surface of RBCs of rhesus monkey. So it is called as a Rh factor and also called antigen D. Person having Rh factor, it is the D antigen, are called Rh positive and those lacking D antigen are called Rh negative. ज्यांच्या ब्लड मध्ये अँटीजेन डी नसतो त्यांचा ब्लड ग्रुप निगेटिव्ह असतो आणि ज्यांच्यामध्ये असतो तो काय असतो? RH पॉझिटिव्ह असतो. RH blood group is an important factor in blood transfusion and involved in hemolytic disease of the newborn, that is the HDN, which is called as a erythroblastosis fetalis. आता fetalis म्हणजे काय? न्यूबॉर्न बेबी. इरिथ्रो म्हणजे आपल्याला माहिती आहे रेड ब्लड सेल्स. So here destruction of erythrocytes of the fetus is known as the erythroblastosis fetalis. It occurs when an Rh positive mother conceives Rh positive fetus. In order to prevent HDN, Rh negative mother is injected with the that is the negative Rh antibody during all of pregnancy carrying Rh positive fetus. So here we will stop. Thank you.